Thanks for joining our Blackfish POS video tutorial series. In this video, we're going to look at how to build our floor map for our table layouts. If you do not want to use the table floor map plan, you can simply leave your software as is and manually enter the table numbers that you want to go to. But for those who would like to use the table mapping, we're going to come to the System button and then down to number 15 on System Configuration. Click Edit Form, and then this is the checkbox that we want checked in order to use that floor plan map. So if you just want to manually enter the table numbers, then uncheck that box. And if you want to use the floor plan map, you'll check it and click Save. We'll come up top and go back to our desktop, and then we want to see how to build our actual floor plan. So we're going to come to where it says More, and then Manage Floor Plan. And this is where we'll do this. You can see we've got a few on here right now. We can come to the bottom and hit Remove Table and just make these go away so that we can customize this however we want. So we have Add Bar Seat and Add Table across the bottom. And this is going to be very simple and a very, very quick and easy thing for you to do. So we'll start with Add Table. When we click on that, and it's going to ask us to enter the table number that we want to use. So we'll say our first table is going to be table number 11 and click OK. And you can make this whatever your particular table numbers are, whatever is specific to your restaurant. Now we're just going to drag the cursor to wherever we want to put table 11 and click, and we'll see it appear. We can then click on this and drag it around anywhere that we might want to put it on our floor plan. And we're simply going to repeat that process for as many tables as we have. Add table, enter the number, click OK, and then put your cursor where you want the table to be and click. And you can kind of slide it over to line it up just the way you want it. So you'll simply go through and repeat this process for as many or as few tables as you have. Again, we can add bar seats just the same way. We click Add Bar Seat. We assign a number for that particular seat and click OK. And we'll click down here on our little image of what our restaurant might look like and slide that bar stool where we want for it to go. So in this way, we are able to build a custom floor plan for whatever your establishment looks like. And this can be really, really convenient for your serving staff to be able to look at this rather than have to type in the numbers themselves. Whenever we're finished and we've put our tables and our bar seats exactly where we want them to be, we simply click Save. And then we'll go back to our desktop. And now we can see when we click New Table at the bottom of the screen when they're ready to start a new table, and it's going to pop up the picture of your floor plan, and they can simply select whichever table it is that they want to go to. Okay, table 12 had items on it already. If we come back here to the desktop, we could hit New Table, go to table 13. We can see that table 13 is blue. That means this is a table that is not in use right now. Tables 11 and 12 are in red because those are tables that are in use. So this allows your servers to manage their time and their tables. Whenever they pull this map up, they can see automatically which tables are open and which ones they're using, so they know. If we go back to the desktop, and they can also pull up their open checks still from across the top of the desktop where we see them here. So that does not, when we create the floor plan to use that map, it doesn't change the functionality of them being able to access them right here from the desktop as well. Okay, so that's all there is to building your table map. We hope you'll check out some more of our videos so that you can learn all about the different features in your Blackfish point of sale software. Thanks for joining us.